Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of the Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics, new secondary, book 1, abstract students, class 6, and new syllabus mathematics D1, and exercise 6a, question number 1. Write down the coordinates of each of the following shown in the figure. Students, first of all, I want to explain you the graph. This horizontal line is called x-axis and this vertical line is called y-axis. And the point where both the lines are intersecting each other is called origin and it is represented by 0. The numbers that are written on the right side of y-axis are positive, and the numbers are the coordinates of x-axis that are written on the left side of y-axis are negative, as well as the coordinates of y-axis above the x-axis are positive, whereas the coordinates of y-axis below the x-axis are negative. And keep in mind that the point where both the lines are intersecting each other is origin and is represented by 0. And if I am going to write the numbers on the right side of y-axis on x-axis, will be started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, as well as on the left side it is written as -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. And on the above of x-axis the y coordinates are written as 1, 2, 3, 4 positive, whereas below the x-axis the y coordinates or ordinates will be negative and it is started from 0, -1, -2, -3 and so on. So students, you have to keep in mind the position of 0. Now students, there are some positions on this graph A, B, C, D, E and F, and we have to write the coordinates. So first I will explain the coordinates of position A. Students, look at position A and first we will count the coordinates on x-axis, and these are on the left side of y-axis, so it will be negative -1, -2, -3 and -4, and this position A is below the -4, 3 positions downward, -1, -2 and -3. So students, this position A, the coordinates of this position A is -4 and -3 because this position is on the left side of y-axis and on the below side of y-axis. So both the coordinates will be negative, and this coordinate is called, this quadrant is called third quadrant. This quadrant is first quadrant, it is second quadrant, it is third quadrant and it is fourth quadrant. So students, the coordinates of position A are -4 because this 4 is on the fourth position toward left of y-axis, and 3 positions are 3 units downward from x-axis. So the coordinates of position A are -4 and -3. Now students, look at position B. Position B is in the second quadrant and we will count the numbers on x-axis. It is 0, -1 and -2, and now students, B is above the -2, and now we will count the numbers on y-axis 1, 2, 3 and 4. This position is -2, -1 and -2, and then 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the coordinates of position B are -2 and 4. Now students, we will find the position of point C. C is on the right side of y-axis, so we will count the numbers 1, 2 and 3. And now students, it is above the x-axis and 1, 2, 3 and 4 units. So the coordinate of C are 3 and 4. Now students, we will find the position or the coordinates of position D. D is on the right side of y-axis, so the coordinates on x-axis are 1, 2, 3 and 4, and These are 2 units. D is 2 units above the x-axis. So the coordinates of D are 4 and 2. Because 1, 2, 3 and 4. And it is 2 unit above 1 unit and 2 unit. So the coordinates of D are 4 and 2. Now students, we will find the coordinates of point E. This point is E, and it is 1 unit toward right side of y-axis, so it is positive, as well as it is 1 unit above the x-axis, so the ordinate or the coordinate on y-axis is 1, so the position E, the coordinates of position E is 1 and 1, and the coordinates of position F will be 1, 2 and 3, and it is below 3 units on of x-axis, so the coordinates of F will be 3 and minus 3. Now I am going to write these coordinates on a piece of paper for your explanation. So students, we will find the coordinates and will write on a piece of paper so that you may have a clear concept of these coordinates. Okay students, position A, the coordinates of position A will be 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4 on x-axis. Now students, I will count the units below x-axis, 1 unit, 2 unit and 3 units. So the coordinates of point A are minus 4 and minus 3. This is called ordered pair, and first number is our abscissa and second number is ordinate. First value is the value of x and it is counted on x-axis, whereas second number is representing the value of y and it is called ordinate. So the coordinates of position A are minus 4 and minus 3. Now students, look at position B. B is 2 unit on the left side of y-axis. So the coordinates of position B will be minus 2 and it is the value of x, whereas D is 4 units above the x-axis, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can count these numbers from y-axis, as well as you can count these numbers on this line as well, minus 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the coordinates of position B are minus 2 and 4. Now students, look at position C. C is on the right side of y-axis and on the above of x-axis. So first we will count the numbers or the units of x-axis, 1, 2 and 3. So the abscissa of C is 3. Now we will count the numbers or the units of y-axis, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the position of point C is minus 3 and 4. Now students, look at D. The coordinates of D are 1, 2, 3 and 4 is the value of abscissa and 1 and 2 is the value of ordinate. And now students, we will find the coordinates of position E, and E is 1 unit on the right side of y-axis and above 1 unit of x-axis. So the coordinates of E is 1 and 1. Now students, look at F. F is on the right side of x-axis and the units how much is away from y-axis is 1, 2 and 3. So the abscissa of position F is 3 and ordinate is 1, 2 and minus 3. So these are the coordinates of A, B, C, D, E and F. And in question number 2 students, we have to make a graph sheet and use the scale 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit to draw the x-axis for the value of x from minus 3 to 6 and y-axis for the values of y from -2 to 5. Students, it's a graph paper. First I will draw the line x-axis with the help of scale, and then students I will draw the line, it is not x-axis, it is y-axis because it is vertical line. Now I will draw a horizontal line to show the x-axis. Students, left side is negative and right side on x-axis is positive, and on y-axis upper side is positive and the lower side is negative. Now students, we have to prepare a graph sheet by using 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit. So the lines where both the point where both the lines are intersecting is called origin, and it is represented by O or 0, and this line is x-axis. Above x-axis the y coordinates are positive, and we have to take 1 unit as 1 centimeter, so it is 1, it is 2. Keep in mind students, we have just put the point, we need not to make it 0, and this point is 3, this point is 4, and on y-axis we have to draw -2 to 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, this point is 5, and -2, this point is -1, and this is -2. We have written the point on y-axis. On x-axis we have to draw the numbers from -3 to 6. Right side is positive, so this position is our unit is positive 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5, and this position as number is point is 6, and on the left side it will be negative, and first number on the left side of 0 will be -1, then students -2, and then -3. I have prepared this graph for you so that you can prepare this graph by you easily. Now students, we have to plot the coordinates of position A is 2 and 5. So students, look at position A, it is 2 and 5. Now students, this is 2 because first number is abscissa and it is counted on x-axis, and ordinate is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So students, this position is A and its coordinates are 2 and 5. Students, position B is 1 and 2. So students, first abscissa is 1. So this is 1 and ordinate is 2. This is 1 and this point is 2. So this point position is position B, and the coordinates of position B are 1 and 2. Position C is students -2 and -1. Abscissa is -2, so we will count -2 on left side, and ordinate is -1, so we will go below the x-axis, and this is -1. So the coordinates of position C are -2 and -1. Now students, the coordinates of D are 6 and -2. 6 is abscissa and it is counted on x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and ordinate is -2. Students, this point is -1 and it is -2. So students, position D is this point, and the coordinate of position D are 6 and -2. And students, position E or point E, the coordinates of point E are 3 and -2. So 3 is abscissa and it is counted on x-axis. 1, 2 and 3, this is positive 3, and 1, 2 and 3 it is -3. So the abscissa is +3, so we will count it on the right side, and ordinate is -2, it is -1 and it is minus 2. So the position, this is position E, and the coordinates of position E are 3 and minus 2. And the last point is F, and the coordinates of F are minus 1. It is students minus 1, and ordinate is 2, 1 and 2, and it is 2. So the position F is minus 1 and 2. So I have plotted all the points on graph, and you can understand it very easily. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time, and have a good day.